I'm Diane Kornegay, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. School board members at their meeting last week proclaimed September 2022 as Attendance Awareness Month in Lake County. It's part of a nationwide effort to raise awareness about the value of regular school attendance and to focus on reducing chronic absenteeism in the new school year. So, we will be talking a lot about attendance over the next several weeks and throughout the year. Attendance has always been an important topic, but chronic absenteeism became a nationwide concern over the past 2 years when many students missed weeks of instruction because of COVID-19. Now it's time to get back into the habit of making daily attendance a priority. Good attendance is essential to academic success, but far too many students become at risk academically because they are chronically absent. Chronic absence is described as missing 10% of the school year or about 18 days for any reason, excused or unexcused. Research shows that that is the point at which absenteeism begins to affect student performance. More than 40% of our students were chronically absent last year. This has serious repercussions even for our youngest students. Starting as early as kindergarten or even preschool, chronic absenteeism predicts lower third grade reading scores. By middle school, it's a warning sign that students will fail key classes and maybe even drop out of high school. In September, districts and community partners around the country are committing time and resources to raise public awareness and improve school attendance. This is the perfect time of the year for this campaign. Research shows that students who miss 2 to 4 days in the first couple of months of school are more likely to become chronically absent during the school year. By paying attention to absences early in the school year and early in a child's academic career, we can turn around attendance and boost achievement.